Canada just dropped its digital tax on U.S. tech giants, and the White House says Trump forced it to happen. On Sunday, Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney informed President Trump that his government would abandon the planned digital services tax. The move comes after Trump halted trade talks and threatened tariffs over what he called a direct attack on American tech firms. The tax would have imposed a 3% levy on Canadian revenues above $20 million from major U.S. companies like Amazon, Google, Apple, and Meta. Canada's finance minister confirmed that payments set to begin Monday had been canceled, and new legislation would scrap the tax entirely. Carney called it part of a broader negotiation, as trade talks between Washington and Ottawa resumed Monday. The White House, however, framed the decision as a diplomatic win for Trump. Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt said Canada caved to U.S. pressure and that Trump's leadership had secured a big victory for American tech workers. U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick added that the tax was intended to stifle American innovation. Critics in Canada's opposition called the move a retreat. Conservative leader Pierre Poilievre said Carney had put his elbows down, referencing earlier campaign promises to stand firm against U.S. demands. The tax, announced in 2020, was expected to generate nearly $6 billion Canadian dollars over 5 years and apply retroactively to January 2022. While it diffuses a short-term standoff, it also raises questions about Canada's ability to regulate foreign tech revenue independently and whether other nations will face similar pressure from Washington. That was Headline Audio, straight to the point and globally aware. For more serious, real-world news in under 4 minutes, follow and subscribe.